Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue with Unit 7, Part 5, Comparative Superlative. We finished comparative today. Okay. Equality. When we compare two things on the same quality. We use this as, okay? These two words, examples, but take into account that it is the same for long or short adjectives. Always as. A tiger is as beautiful as a turtle. A turtle isn't as fast as a tiger. An apple is as healthy as a pear. Pay attention to this. As, long adjective, as. Isn't, as, short adjective, as. As, short adjective, as. Okay. The same for long or short adjectives. A car isn't expensive as a plane. Long adjective, the same as. Okay. Superlative. What is that? Superlative. Wow. Okay. What happens when adjectives are short words like fast, tall, short, big, small, old, heavy, young, long, late, cold, hot, high? These are only examples. Okay. We add here the adjective and est, okay? For short words, remember, short adjectives. Fast plus est, the fastest. Tall plus est, the tallest. Short plus est, the shortest. Big plus est, the biggest. Small plus est, the smallest. Old plus est, the oldest. Heavy plus est, the heaviest. Young plus est, the youngest. Long plus est, the longest. Late plus est, the latest. Hot plus est, the hottest. Cold plus est, the coldest. High plus est, the highest. Okay? Irregular adjectives. They are different. Remember, we studied them with comparative. Irregular adjectives. Superlative of good, the best. Superlative of bad, the worst. Superlative of far, the farthest. Examples. Summer is the best season for me. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. And now, concentration. Heavy. Okay, heavy. Transform Y into I plus est, the heaviest. Lazy, the same. Y into I plus est, the laziest. Okay. Happy, transfer Y into I plus est, the happiest, okay? Big, double G, okay? The biggest. Hot, the same, double T, hottest. Late, okay, has got an E here, but we only write one E, the latest. Very good. Examples. The cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. Elena is the tallest girl in the classroom. Russia is the biggest country in the world. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Summer is the hottest season in Spain. The African elephant is the heaviest animal in the world. Teide is the highest mountain in Spain. Long adjectives now. Okay. Intelligent, beautiful, expensive, dangerous, difficult, exciting, long words, long adjectives. What happens when adjectives are long? You will see now. We write the most and here the adjective. Examples. Your cat is the most intelligent. This house is the most beautiful. That house is the most expensive. The crocodile is the most dangerous. Be careful. This exam is the most difficult. This film is the most exciting. Okay, do you remember these adjectives in Spanish? Heavy, young, late, high, far, late again, expensive, cheap, exciting. Okay, we have finished. Bye-bye. We have finished part 5, remember. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day. Kisses, hugs, okay? Teacher Charo, Teacher Alejandro. See you in the next video.